Joo, ma olen Kristjan, ma olen laagris 8. korda ja ma ootan sellelt nädalalt kõige rohkem päteldi. Et elada telklas hästi nädal üle, kõige tähtsam on hea madrats, mis ei ole puhutav madrats, vaid korralik madrats. Üks asi, mida ma pole kindlasti varem teinud, aga tahan teha, on minna Red Bulli gaming alale ja seal reisida.
I spent yesterday a great day in Tallinn. Until now I really like. The people are very friendly. So I was thinking like hip-hop, breakdance. So I was not 100% sure, but after when I saw the timetable, then I was like, okay, hip-hop. So I'm happy. But I also happy to enjoy other dances.
Kõige rohkem ilmselt ootan Archeo kohtumist. Ma ei nimetaks seda kunagi laagriks, see on nagu festival. Siin on erinevad alad, igal pool toimub kogu aeg midagi. Saad enda jaoks teha selle laagri täpselt selliseks, nagu ise tahad.
Sest et miks mitte telkida? Siin on rohkem privaatsust. Ootan võtta väga viimast kõigest ja lihtsalt, et saaks uusi teadmisi ja lihtsalt fannida. Ma eelmine aasta ei käinud rodeos, aga see aasta saab kindlasti käima.
Õige telkida. Telgis on kõige õigem telkida. Ma telgin see aasta konkreetselt sellepärast, et ma magasin maha selle aja, kui saaks kämpasse osta pileti. Pole mu telkinud, nii et vaatame, kuidas läheb. Ma olin jumala haip, kui ma kuulsin, et storm tuleb. Stormi ma olen tahtnud näha 5 aastat, ma arvan. Ma ootasin Tai Chi'd, rodeo night. Eelmine aasta ei saanud osaleda, seega see aasta on tore.
Teate, elu on selline, et kui tahad olla prepared ja valmis kõige ägedamaks nädalaks elu sees, siis pead kõiki asju võtma kaasa. Seega ma olen valmis selleks nädalaks! What's on?
My name is Jussi Sirviö. People know me as People Focus in the breaking world. I've had a great time this far. It's a blessing for me as well to take a little bit of time off from Finland and simply concentrate on the dance world. Seeing all these masters over here, seeing all the hungry people wanting to learn, I think the whole experience is unique. There's no camps like this, I think, in the whole world. There's a couple of camps, but a camp like this, especially in the north of Europe, this is a unique experience for everybody who's coming.
Hello, my name is Laure Courtelmy and I am French, but I live in the United States for the last 10 years. I have to be honest, when I saw the lineup, this is an all-star lineup type of shit. It's like legends together. It's an honor. It's an honor for me to be next to Archie Burnett, who's my teacher, next to Javier, that I admire with every inch of my body, Henry Link, who is actually the dance, and Storm and King Charles. So it has been a very special camp for me. So my focus was to make them fall in love with dancehall. Second focus was to tell them if there is no passion, there is no dance.
My name is Link, Henry Link, from Elite Force Crew, come from New York City, Brooklyn. And what do? I'm a professional singer. No, I'm a dancer. After class, everybody can go somewhere else. Actually get to know the new people from a different country or a different place and socialize and make new friends. That's the whole unity. My goal was to teach them, not just teach them, but to show them that the past is their present. Stop thinking the past is something old and we can just forget it. Nothing's old. It's just being redone differently. Yes, my wish is only that it grow. My recommendation, that you don't stop.
My name is Storm. I'm Professor Niels Storm Robitsky from Berlin, Germany. I think it's a really beautiful place. I love it already. I mean, I'm looking at the entire atmosphere. So many dancers here and everybody's really like craving for information and to do this. So the energy is beautiful, food is beautiful, people are beautiful. What else do you ask for? But you know, the people that come here, they all have one thing in mind, and they all have that lifestyle that they want to live. And therefore, to go into isolation, to not be disturbed by anybody else, and that, you know, like we share this community as one, you don't have that anywhere, really. I value these outlets so much, where people can take their time, and time goes different. I mentioned that yesterday too. From the minute I arrived at the camp, I didn't go on social media. You sit there, you talk with people, dialogue is happening. So it's really like back in the days when life was different. Everybody's gonna everybody's gonna put this in their memory for the rest of their life. This is a lifetime experience.
Well, hello. My name is Archie Burnett. I am from the US of A. I actually give everything that I grew up with. So everything from the 60s to now. That can include voguing, it can include house dance, but it wasn't house dance then. It was freestyle. What we did in different clubs, that's what we did. My job, I think, is to pass it on. I'm the guy that really loves to connect to people. People mean everything. They mean everything. So when you come to something like this and, you know, we're all in the same situation, you know, we're sharing music first because that's the universal language. You know, dance is the byproduct of music. It's very special to me because, you know, it's nice for me at this age to see young people connect to the very same simplicity that can give them so much possibilities. I think it's amazing. Passion is the one thing that will bring you to other places. If you maintain that passion, you'll find a way. 20 years is a long, long time. I've been dancing since I was 3, and I'm 65 now. Passion did that. So for this organization to make 20 years, that's a hell of a lot.
What you mean? Tell me what you mean. What you mean? Tell me what you mean.
My name is King Charles. I'm from Chicago, and I'm from the south side of Chicago. I represent a crew called Creation Global. Camp of Hip Hop has a special place for me because I have a lot of memories here. The memories were always very organic, very raw, very passionate, very fiery. Like I go to a lot of places and I don't get the same reaction, the same connection. It's just a really good match, and I feel like Estonia needs that type of love and energy, you know, from people from around the world, and they have it inside of them to also project it out, but they need someone to light the fire for them to have the platform to express this, you know. I just always felt warm inside whenever I came here, and I felt always supported. To the point where I'm crowd surfing, which is crazy. Yeah, it's the longest camp that I've ever gone to consistently. Yeah, since 2012. That's crazy. I think it's time. I think it's time that the world starts to step into this as well and realize how much of a gem that Camp of Hip Hop is. And if you don't know, now you know.